Hey everybody, welcome to Glenn's Garage. On the video today, I'm going to be talking about the wheel and tire fitment I've got here on the E46 convertible. So, come along, I'll explain how I've got So this is my E46 convertible. It's a 2000 323 CI with the sport package. So this car would have left the factory with a Style 44 wheel. That's a 17x8 with 47mm offset and a 225 45/17 tire on it. So when I bought the car, it had some Style 66 rep wheels on it. 16-inch, so I know they're reps because Style 66s were 17-inch staggered. These were 16-inch square setup. So 16 by 7.5, an ET of 38, offset 38, and with a 205 55/16 tire on them. So I didn't like the wheels the car came with. They were ugly and pretty beaten up and just not nice. And the 16-inch just looked wrong. Didn't have the 17s it came from the factory with, and actually was wanting to go a little bigger anyway. So I decided I wanted to go 18. I didn't want to go 19. I think that was too much wheel for me for the E46. So I wanted to go with the 18-inch rim, and I happened upon this set of Style 162s. These came off of an E91 335 coupe. So what I'm showing you here is an E91 wheel fitment on an E46. This is the front wheel and tire setup I have now off the E91. So these are an 18x8 rim, 34mm offset, and it's running a 225 40/18 tire. So as you can see, diameter wise, it's pretty much stock. So rolling diameter is pretty much where it should be. In terms of fitment, you can see it's just under flush there. I like that look personally, but it gives you an idea what you're going to get there. So you're a little over flushed down at the bottom of the bumper here, and the same at the back there. Up at the top where the flare is, you're just under flush by, maybe 10 mils or so, something like that. So that's the kind of fitment you're going to get with that setup. My rear wheel setup, 18 by 8.5. That's a 37mm offset on this one, and it's running a 255 35/18 tire. So again, much like the front, the fitment at the top here, we're just under flush. You can see that. And this is what you're gonna get. Oh, sorry. That's the kind of fitment you're getting with that setup. So I like it. It's got a nice bit of meat on the back tires there. They look substantial. Maybe a bit over-tired for this particular car, but the look is good. And we're still just slightly under flush on the wheel arch. That fills out the wheel arch really nice, I think. Okay, short video there, just showing the wheel and tire fitment I've got here on my E46 using the E91 Style 162 wheels. Gives you a bit of an idea what that wheel size and those offsets look like on an E46. I hope that was helpful to you. If you're swapping out wheels and changing what you're currently running, hopefully this gives a bit of an idea what some other dimensions would look like on your car. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked it, I appreciate it. Hit like, hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Lots of other videos on the E46 there and some other cars, and continuing to build the library there on the channel. And everybody, you stay safe and you have a great day.